The grammar of Arabic language came from the Quran. The Quran dictates the grammar of Arabic language, brother. So everything that you want to learn about Arabic grammar, the Quran is going to teach you. And everything we will learn, brother. And from time to time I'll bring examples, Even examples of exception to the rule. We will find it in the Quran. And you will love it. And most of you are very well into Quran. You have been studying for a long time. You have memorized. But now you will understand the Quran from a different perspective. It will come to you in a different colors. And inshallah, we will feel the magic of Quran in our heart. Okay, inshallah. What is the first sentence, brother? Hada baytun. I want you to analyze it. Yeah. What are you looking for? Sister Salma? Mubtada and khabar. We are only looking for these two things. Okay. So when you say hada baytun, where is mubtada? Hada is your mubtada. And remember, it is definite. It is definite. Because when you say haza, you are pointing out to something particular. So it is definite. In fact, let me tell you a rule. All pronouns are definite. All pronouns are definite. Because the pronoun replaces noun. We will learn more about pronouns. Okay? So hada is the pronoun, and pronouns are all definite. Okay? By their nature, they are all definite. Okay, fine. Hada baytun. So hada is definite. Because we know mubtada has to be definite most of the time. Okay, hada baytun. What is hada? Mubtada. What is hada? Mubtada. Oh, where is the khabar? Baytun. But I told you this is all halwa puri. Now do you believe me? It is all halwa puri. Good. Zalika najmun. Zalika najmun. Where is mubtada? Zalika. Najmun is khabar. Remember, mubtada is marfu. So zalika is marfu. What is zalika? A pronoun. Are you with me? Zalika is pronoun. And all pronouns are definite. Definite. Are you with me? All pronouns are definite. Okay. Al-muhandisu. What is the meaning of muhandisu? Engineer. Al-muhandisu jalisun. It is sitting. Where is mubtada? Al-muhandisu jalisun khabar. Okay. Now next one. What is given here? Can you see the next one? What is given here? It is the khabar that has been given. So we have to bring a proper mubtada. But then we have to bring it from our head. It's not mentioned here. And mubtada is marfu, and it is also definite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? It is definite. Fine. Nazifun. Something is nazifun. Something is clean. Are you with me? Tell me. Al-kamisu nazifun. So you started with al. Mubtada. Are you with me, brothers? Al-kamisu. MashaAllah. Next one is maksurun. Something is broken. So you are bringing now mubtadas. Al-maktabu maksurun. Mubtada khabar. Very good. Qaribun. Al-masjidu qaribun. Whatever you can say. Okay, brother? Something is far. Al-kamaru ba'idun. Very good, brother. And when your answers are correct, I get a special happiness that things are now, working and you are understanding. I would like you to memorize them, the vocabs. The vocabs we should memorize. And from now onwards, we should make a special effort to memorize. Allahu. Definite. What is this? Jumla ismiya. What is this? Mubtada. Where is the khabar of this? Ghafur. Allahu Ghafur. Allah is most forgiving. Huh?